Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video will be all about my new bar cart that I purchased from Wayfair. I decided on this bar cart because I wanted it to match with my coffee table and also to bring, a nice entertaining feel to my living room. I think a bar cart is perfect to, place drinks, the coasters, anything that you will need to provide any refreshments for your guests. I think I'm gonna have to look into how to decorate this bar cart, but the whole idea is to have a centerpiece to entertain my guests, provide drinks, water, and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this bar cart. This bar cart came with so many little screws and pieces. It was such a pain in the butt putting it together, but I did it. And keep an eye out for my next video. It'll be about me decorating this bar cart. I hope to find pieces that complement it. So let's jump into this video and I'll see you later on. So guys, this is the bar cart all put together. It is, I believe, chrome and acrylic. As you can see, those two racks that's where you place the wine glasses, and those circular pieces that you see, that is where you would put any bottles or any beverages that's in a bottle to store on the bar cart. But overall, I love it. It matches the coffee table. It's perfect. It's elegant. It doesn't, feel heavy in the room. It gives the living room a nice open, airy feel and a nice flow that I was going for. So overall, I'm happy with this bar cart. I can't wait to decorate it. But I hope you guys like it. I love the acrylic pieces on it. I don't know, all of a sudden I'm obsessed with acrylic and chrome. I guess we all go through a phase. But as you can see here, it goes perfectly with the coffee table and the overall flow of my living room, which is what I was going for. So I'm happy with it. I don't know where I'm gonna find decorative pieces for it, but hopefully I find something that goes with it, nice perfect match, and that also it's perfect for entertaining, and providing refreshments and drinks for my guests. That's whenever I do have guests. I don't know when, not often. I'm a loner. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed putting this bar cart together. No, not really. It was a pain in the butt. but I do like the final results of the assembly, you know, putting the whole card together. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Remember that liking this video promotes, you know, my channel and also this video. So I really do hope you guys enjoy, and I wanted to welcome some of my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and support my channel. I hope we could do more things in the future. I hope you enjoy my videos, and don't forget to comment down below. You know, give me some feedback. Tell me what you want to see next, and enjoy the rest of the video. And I'll see you on the next one.